Well guys, when you arrive in Costco, this is the entrance. You show your card, you scan your card, then once it's checked in, you go in and do your shopping. Alright, so guys, when you get here, first thing first, you start your card. Exactly what I'm going to do. Then approve. Now you insert your card, which I'm going to do next. Insert your card here. Then it will prompt you to enter the PIN, which is this one. Now it's validating the card, so now it's approved. So now I'm allowed to top up. I'm going to use unleaded. Alright, the petrol is ridiculously cheap. This one is going for $125, almost $126. We're going to Cornwall tomorrow, so I just thought, you know what, I fill the tank. It's quite a massive shop. Let me quickly flip the camera to show you guys how the shop actually look like. Let's look here. We have iPhone, headsets, almost everything. The iPhone, the iPods are going for $179. That's including the tax, yeah? Because some of the prices here doesn't have the tax, so I always try to give you guys the price of the tax included. This one is going for $1,175. Well, we are inside Costco now. Well guys, the PlayStation here, PS5, is actually going for 461 quid. Yeah, wow. There's a gold coins here. This is inside Costco Bristol. Wow, there's a mixer here for cake. Jay likes to do. Look at this baby, KitchenAid. How much is it?
360.
360, yeah. Very nice.
It's very big.
Wow.
See how heavy it is. You won't get that to Ghana.
Oh, what a nice sofa. It's so comfy. Very comfy. This is perfect, but it's too big. I don't know how much it's going for. Maybe I need to check the price. Yeah. Well, guys, let's continue exploring Costco. And now I'm going to the bakery side of Costco. And here they have meat products down here. Amazing meat products. They have shrimps, lobster, fish. And then down here they have fish, chicken, and pork and everything.
Do we want the pork tea or not?
There's something that we wanted once. They didn't have. Was it sandwich?
We can't take sushi.
Guys, they have a roasted chicken here. This one is going for $3.49. Very cheap. I don't know why they put it in a fridge, because normally people want it very hot. Well guys, I'm just in here. Whenever I come to Costco, I always get my fresh produce here. They have ladies' fingers, they call it. Have okra. Yeah, I always get my okra here. It's $4.69. I don't have to go to London or Easton to get it, so it's freezing in here, but everything is very fresh. Right, now I need to get my ginger. I always like to get my ginger from Costco because it's so organic. So here is my ginger. It's so organic. Right, so that's my fresh produce. Now I'm going to the frozen counter to see if I can see all this frozen chicken, frozen prawns, all these courgettes, dumplings, and all those yummies. I'm looking for Jay. Something new we just found in the shop. They have a coconut water.
Michael, look and see if they've got those meatballs.
Okay. This one is only valid to, do you know? It's only valid to 31st.
Oh, hold on. Oh, that's a week on Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, so this is 23, 98. This one doesn't have any expiring date. I don't know. What is the offer? Is it the offer that okay? All right, so the offer valid till 31st of August.
I need to make sure I drink one every day.
Yeah. I think it's okay. It's the offer that ends 31st. Sorry, guys. And it's going for £13.18. So this is where you get all these frozen items like Franco shrimps. You can see how delicious they look. Look at that. Beautiful looking frozen food. Yeah, so guys, yeah, Costco. Let's continue exploring. So I just saw these chicken wings. Yeah, this one is £7.45. But look really nice. And then here, this one is maybe more expensive. I don't know, different. Maybe I should get this one. Yeah, this one look a little bit fresh. Yeah. Can you see this? There's Christmas stuff already in Costco. I can't believe my eyes. It's August, mate. I just got my coffee, beer bag from here. The last one I got, how long it last me? Almost 3 months?
Not as long as it would last a lot, will it?
Because I'm a heavy drinker of coffee. And here they have Milo from Ghana. And it's going for $6.99. Yeah. So Milo is my dessert, especially when you're not drinking alcohol. You need to find a dessert. Oh, they have Nido. If you're from Ghana, you know what Nido is. It's delicious. So this is where I normally get my sauce, but I'm looking for Nando's sauce, but they don't seem to have the one I like, which is the hot one. They have medium. Yeah, maybe I just have to go with the medium. Maybe pour more. Yeah, they don't seem to have it. They have this one here, which is like a mayo. But it's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the proper chilies, which is iron. This one. So guys, this is Ghana noodles. Like if in Ghana, this noodle is one of the best ones. And yeah, so you always get a pack because it's easier, it's cheap when you're hungry. Just pick one or two, straight cook it, straight into your stomach. Yeah, it's going for $12.49, no VAT. So. Guys, let me show you something, right? I just found this for men, L'Oreal men. It's actually going for $10.78. Well, when you finish, this is where you pay. You queue here, you show your Costco card, and then once you finish paying, pizza, ice cream, drinks, you get it there. And also, they also have a tire replacement if you want to do your tire pressure and MOT. They do them there as well. And I also found out, right, they do like cruise ship here, all those things. They do them here. Last time I bought a drone here, I don't know what they have here. Let me show you guys what they have. They do have a DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is down here. They also have the GoPro 13. And guess what? They have an Insta360 camera here as well, guys. Well, that's from Costco. Thank you so much. If you did enjoy this amazing video, please consider sharing and let me know when you come here next or what you'd like me to do in Costco. Well, guys, always remember you have your receipts because they do check the receipt when you get to the exit, and this way you collect your card, your membership card. Yeah, and they do have fridge, they do have travel, Costco cruises, almost everything here. And there's also trolleys here, so you don't have any problem shopping in Costco. Well, I will definitely see you guys in the next vlog. Consider liking the video, share with your friends and family. Somebody might need this video. Keep sharing. keep sharing the video. From Costco. Bye bye.